Are project cars dead, or can you still get ahead? Check this one out. 1988 Monte Carlo SS for sale. Restoration project. Motor's all brand new. Everything under the hood was totally done. '88, right?
88, yeah. Shoot, this book fuck better.
Looks like brand new exhaust. Floorboards are decent. Factory maroon color with the orangish stripes. Console car. I believe that's the standard gauge packages for the Monte. It was in mid restoration. Does have a spot right here that needs to be fixed, and there's a new piece that he has for it. Doors are decent, typically where they usually go. I think these can be saved. They're not totally rotted out just yet. And if you guys know the Montes, the biggie is the frame rails. Let's see what they look like. Well, before we do that, let's look at the trunk. Yep, that's going to need attending. Oh, there's the, I believe it's the RPO codes. Check that out. That'll tell you everything about this vehicle, what options. It's got a posi. As we all know, these came with 305, so you don't really expect much from a performance standpoint. My buddy says there is a small cam in the motor. The motor's all brand new, by the way. Factory 305, totally rebuilt, all brand new. And the only deviation from stock was a cam. And he prefers a very small cam, so he's not a racer. Frame rails do look decent. Very good. No rot or rust. Factory rear end still in it. Down here is another spot that they go bad. That all looks pretty good. I always like these maroon colored Montes. Let's see if we can get a picture of the real color. Yeah, that's that maroon color right there. They were always pretty in that color. See if we can get a side shot. Wheel wells look decent. This side. New exhaust again. He did say he had a floor pan, or they put a floor pan in on this side. Looks to be done pretty good. Bottom of this door's clean. This is another spot on these cars that go bad. That looks pretty decent. Here's the dash. Let's see how many miles on this thing. 3,000, or it could be 143,000, but I would think that would roll over. Anyway, factory radio's missing. Console, I believe, is here. I did see it. Factory interior is not bad. No rips or tears. That's a big thing. These usually, factory interiors usually rip right out of them. Again, this piece needs to be replaced. Typical T-top stuff. Another bad spot there that needs to be addressed. There's the factory stripes. So the thing about this car is that, you know, it was all original. Really hasn't been messed with. All original wheels and center caps are there. Nice color combination. Stripping the hood for a repaint. Motor has been totally done, all brand new. And I guess that's the key. You know, if you're looking at this from a restoration standpoint, you know, he started doing it right. All the hard stuff was done. You can see brand new gaskets. You can see where everything was detailed pretty nicely. Biggie for me, AC. That's all still there and probably, I'm sure, working. How many cars you get and the AC is gone or it's chopped out. I believe the engine work, or the engine was totally rebuilt by Universal Machine Shop. Everything looks pretty good there. Again, factory wheels, headers, and there's supposedly all the T-top molding stuff, all brand new. We know that stuff's expensive. There's the T-top, the hood, and supposedly boxes of trim and a bunch of other stuff for it. So, well, there you are, folks. 1988 Monte Carlo SS. It is for sale. I believe the price was $5,600, and I don't believe that that's negotiable because of the engine work that was already done and 100% rebuilt. But she definitely is a project. I think it's a worthy project if you're into these Monte Carlos and it's something that you're really you really got to have. So, as we say here at On Junk, sometimes they're not pretty, sometimes they're not cute, sometimes we're working to get them there. And in this case, I think this is a great foundation to bring back to brand new in that factory original paint color, that nice pretty maroon. And that's what we got today, folks. So as always, On Junk for life, all day, every day. Peace, y'all.